hungry. Mommy, can I have your cookies? Ah, oh, no, daughter. You're allergic on cookies. But I'm cookies. Look, I'm cookies. I'm tired of this. I said you don't believe me. I will sleep now. Me. Oh, mommy is sleeping. I'm to try it. I'm so tired if mom is here because she don't give me my favorite food, cookies. So she's sleeping. I will get the cookies. Nom 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 nom. Haha, I'm done. What's happened with me? Ah, what happened? Mommy, help me. Baby, take this medicine, okay? Take this. Thank you, mommy. Nom, nom. Oh, I'm back. My face is off. So, mommy, I said I'm allergic with cookies. Okay, thank you for saving me, mommy. So the doctors say you are allergic on cookies if you are baby. So believe me, whatever I do. Believe me what I say too. Okay, mommy. Thanks. Hi, your surgery food is right here. Strawberry food and juice food. This is for 2 strawberry and 2 juice because you are a daughter and mother. Here you go. Thanks. Here you go, sweetheart. We will eat it. Thank you, mommy. Um, um, Dad. Me too. Um, yummy. Oh, Daddy is calling. Oh no, we are here in the plane. Hello, Daddy. Sweetheart, I'm here. Get trouble in the house. Stop calling. You are calling me. So bye. Oh, I will play my tablet. La 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 la. I will see Ebs and Kiki. I like Ebs and Kiki. Preska. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.